HK. I want to teach you how to make Korean food simply and easily. Today I'm going to show you how to make Dubu Jeon. Dubu is a tofu, Jeon is a small pancake. First we need a tofu. I'm going to use the super firm tofu, but I'm going to use only half, so about 1 pound tofu. And this is a chopped bell peppers, and this is a chopped green onions. Vegetable, whatever you like it or whatever you have it, any kind of vegetable will be okay. And 3 eggs, and half teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seed. So we have to crush the tofu first. So using a knife, just push. This is extra long, so it's a little bit pushy, but use a little tofu, so it's easier. But after you chop it, you have to get rid of the water from the tofu. After mashed perfectly, we have to get rid of the water from the tofu. So you can use the cotton fabric or paper towel. It's okay. So this is extra long tofu, still has some water. Then mix with the other ingredients. And mix very well. Almost done. Turn on high heat and about 1 tablespoon of oil, and until waiting pan heated. I use the ice cream scoop. So until bottom, change the color light golden brown. So about 1 minute, you have to wait. About 1 minute later, flip over. I think that this is really good for the breakfast. We usually use the soy sauce, so I'm going to show you how to make it. So 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and about half teaspoon of hot flake pepper, we say gochugaru. Pretty simple sauce. If you want to make more fancy, you can chop any kind of green or red vegetable chop in. That's also really good. Let's taste. So outside is a crispy and inside is very soft and savory. It's really good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget notification. See you next time.